Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Valorant stuck on the loading screen. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like. So if Valorant freezes and gets stuck on the loading screen, it's usually caused by driver conflicts, Vanguard issues, and corrupted files. And here I'll show you how to fix that. Alright, first you can close Valorant, and now on Riot Client, you want to click on your profile on the top right and go to settings. Now go ahead and scroll down and click on repair. Wait a bit, after it's done, you can restart your PC and test if it fixed. Now if that doesn't work, you can close Riot Client, and on the bottom right, click on the arrow here, then look for Riot Vanguard icon. So this one, right click on it and hit exit. Now in the start menu, go ahead and type in Valorant, right click on it, and then file location. Once you go ahead on the file location, just go ahead and hit properties and compatibility. You want to go ahead and check disable full screen optimization and also check run this program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Next, just go ahead and try Valorant again if it fixed. Another method we could do is go ahead and press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type in services.msc like this. Hit OK. From here, look for VGC. Once you scroll down and found VGC, just go ahead and click on right click and then properties. Once you click on properties, just go ahead and put the manual startup to automatic. Once you press automatic, just click on apply and OK. After that, just go ahead and right click and then start. One more solution is by going to local app data with percentages on both ends. Same method as well, just go ahead and Windows plus R, type it in, and then look for Valorant. So Valorant will be under Riot Games. Just go ahead and scroll down and until you see Riot Games, go ahead and click on Riot Games, Valorant data, and then what you're gonna do is go ahead and then renaming or adding this file here with .old in it. So just go ahead and do this real quick. Once done, just go ahead and press enter and then save. Go ahead and exit out the folder. Another thing we could do is by going ahead and updating our graphics driver. If you have an NVIDIA graphics driver, just go ahead and go to your NVIDIA and update your latest graphics driver. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to leave a like. And if you are now able to play Valorant, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.